I finally got a projector. Today we are going to unbox it and try it out. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I am Shay Cherie. Today I am unboxing a projector that I finally got. I've been wanting a projector for a minute, so it's here. It's right on time because I have a paint and sip event coming up. So I have the sketch laid out for that on my sketchbook, and I want to transfer that to the canvas. Previously, I had the carbon copy paper and I was tracing every canvas, but I want to see if this is an easier option for me in terms of preparing canvases for paint and sip events. So let's unbox it. So this is the Leisure 3W by Vankyo. I don't know if that's how you say it. Anywho, it is a portable projector. I don't know that I'll be traveling with it, but you know, good to have some portability. Comes in a nice carrying case. All right, let's clean the lens. Some long Q-tips and a cleansing wipe. Instructions, I'm gonna need to read these in a minute. Got a remote. The power cord. And it looks like an HDMI type of cord. And the projector. Okay. Got our inputs here, lens here, got some controls along the top, and ventilation on this side. All right, y'all, give me a minute to read the instructions and I will be right back. Now, this is the image I'm sketching. I took a picture of it and emailed it to myself because I'm using my phone to record. So I'm going to bring it up on the computer and connect my laptop. The focus isn't that great, but I probably just need to learn to adjust it and roll with it like that. But I am going to go ahead and trace this on the canvas. I will say, you can probably hear it, this machine is a little loud, but we'll work with it. All right, we've got it sketched out. Let me turn this off and turn the light back on so you can see how it turned out. Oh, I was hitting the wrong button. Okay. Here we go. All right, so here is how the sketch turned out. Hopefully it's coming across on camera. And that is compared to what I had in the sketchbook. So not too bad. Like I said, the machine is a little noisy, and I'm gonna have to learn how to position it and whatnot to get the focus right. And because I had the focus button turned all the way over, and I still needed to adjust the machine. But for my first time using it, I think it was decent, and I was able to get my image on the canvas. So it works for me. And I'm still debating if it beats tracing on carbon paper or not. We'll see, because I still have to draw a couple more for the hint and sip event. But I'm still excited I got a projector. So thank y'all for tuning in. If you have any questions about the machine, I don't know if I can answer them yet because I just opened this, but leave them below. Maybe by the time I see them, I will have figured things out. So like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.